Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about Magento 301 redirect. So how we can do, we will see everything step by step. So before jumping on the topic, I'm expecting you have a Magento setup completely. If you don't know how to do that, you can check my installations video in how we can install Magento. So we are here. So first you need to go in the marketing, you need to go in the SEO search, and here you will get a URL rewrites. Just click on the URL rewrites. Here you can see we have already 3, so 4 something, right? So we need to add on the click on the add new URL rewrite, and here you can see we have a custom in drop down and for category, for product, and for CMS. Suppose if you want to add a custom, you need to click on the custom store. You can select as per your choice. Suppose if you are using multiple website, then you need to click on the particular of website you want to request a path. If suppose anyone hitting like a customer or contact something, and you want to redirect to any particular of page, so you need to put the target path here, request path. Suppose contact is a request and I want to redirect to contact something, right? So we can put like a target path like contact. Suppose example, this is a request. If someone clicking on the contact, I want to person to redirect to the contact us, right? And this is a permanent or temporary, we can select like permanent something, right? And if you want to add some descriptions, so you can add, otherwise you can leave. So these are the important things we need to keep in mind. After save, you need to click on the save buttons. Okay, so this will redirect, contact will redirect to contact us directly. No need to worry about it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. This video is sponsored by Cloudways. In Cloudways, you can host your Magento portal. If you don't know how you can host your portal, let me know. Definitely I will create a separate video for you. So complete series also I will create. So also this video is sponsored by Cloudways. If you're looking good hosting platform, if you're facing any challenges with any different kind of platform, this is really good for you, because you don't need to worry about all configurations. You need to set up within 5 or 7 minutes something. You can host your website. It's really simple as compared to any service provider, because you need to put something next, and you need to put some configurations. Your website will be host within 7 minutes something. This is the important features in Cloudways. Also, you have options to your website, your host your website in different kind of service provider like AWS, like Google Cloud Computing, DigitalOcean, Linode, other platforms. So this is the key features. Depend on your budget, you can select DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, or Google Cloud Computing. Also, you no need to worry about SSL certificate, because in Cloudways you will get free SSL certificate. Also, sometimes we facing problem in AWS, any other service provider, but here you will get 24/7 support. If you anytime you particular facing problem, you can get quickly. It's not about the any holiday something, because Cloudways providing 24/7 support. So this is the key features I'm telling you. You no need to worry about anything. Everything you will get in Cloudways. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.